Hello, it is 3 a.m. and we are in the car because
we're doing a race, a 10K.
We just entered the parking lot. There's, well, almost, we're on our way. There's the EPCOT wall. Hi! You're going too fast.
4 a.m. running at EPCOT.
Just parked. It is 4 a.m. and we are in the EPCOT parking lot. They have the EPCOT ball lit up in RunDisney colors. I think we're pretty excited.
I'm pretty juiced. This is my first 10K run. Mila's first 10K run. And,
good luck.
Good luck to us. I didn't practice enough, so we'll be in good spirits.
Yes. Okay, so I am Groot. Mila is Rocket. And Babe's a cassette tape. We are Guardians of the Galaxy themed.
Since that is my favorite ride.
Okay, so we just went through security. You still walk through security like if you were going to the park. So we did that, but it was pretty seamless. Just walked right on through. Okay, so they have a bunch of porta potties lined up, ready to go in case you got to go potty. I haven't used a porta potty in a long time. It wasn't too bad, but it's dark in there.
I think it's still a little clean.
It's still clean, maybe later on.
Yeah.
Marathon. That's what I The sponsors that make this event possible.
Once upon a time.
So they have a bunch of like meet and greets already. We're not even in the corrals yet, and they have Chippendale, Duffy, and Dopey over there, so you can go take pictures if you want to. They do have some food and beverage for sale. So they have right here, which is like Disney, which I believe is like bagels and a banana. And then they also have some food trucks. I think they have coffee and a bunch of other stuff for like the spectators. So you could buy a beer right now. Maybe to carb up.
So you don't feel...
Okay, this is our corral. We are E.
Tracy, it's so cool to hear this, and what I love is the fact that every minute...
Aw, that's so sweet. Guys, yeah. Then Jackson also, everybody, how you doing, Jackson? More people affected by the over 100 blood cancer sites out there that continue to consider the global leader of research support and advocacy. Let's take a look at the great work these folks are doing.
By the dawn.
Okay, we're next in line.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Well, I am appreciating a lot of support from people in this community. Thank you. 2, 1, go!
There's Goofy. There's mile 1. First water stop.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Mile 2. Number 2. Okay, we've done 2 miles. Okay, we are now passing Mexico. 2.5 miles right here. You're halfway to 3.
Yay!
Mila's eating a honey waffler. to help keep her fueled up and carved up for the rest of the 10K. We're about halfway right now. That's a long line. Mile 3. Okay, we just exited EPCOT and we're on our way towards the hotels. Show me a 4. 4. We did 4 miles and I'm gonna eat one of these.
Y'all good?
There's Figment.
Speed bumps ahead. Caution, athletes. Speed bumps ahead. Caution.
5 miles. We got about a half a mile left. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired, but we're almost there. There's mile 6. Woo.
Smile big, you get your picture done. Chip, Dale.
Almost.
Thanks for getting the memo. Put your hand. I've got another Purdue Boilermaker right here, Danielle.
You did it, baby, you did it. You did it, baby. You did it.
Good thing I don't have to eat today.
Okay, they're getting water.
Hi, did you do good? First 10K?
Yes. So they just gave us water and now they have Powerade. Okay, so now we're coming up on the snack boxes. Thank you.
Got it. This is the row you want. We have the best boxes, the best bananas, the best.
Best banana.
We just sat down after we got our stuff. I did grab 3 Powerades because I'm gonna get my money's worth, and they kept handing them out, so I kept getting every color. I grabbed 2 waters as well. They gave a banana, another honey stinger like the ones we ate during the race, and now let's open up our box. Okay, so inside the box there is, I can't think, guys, I'm sorry, I just ran, I can't think. What are these called? Fruit snacks. There's fruit snacks, there's these toast, cheddar cheese, Fritos, and then one of these things to clean your hands. Mila went straight for the gummies first, gummies for breakfast, but she just ran 6.2 miles, so I guess that's fine. You did it, baby. High five.
I couldn't even do 4 in California.
It was your first run. How'd it go?
It was not that bad. I think the energy of the crowd
Yeah.
really kept us up, and then they had like
The music and
the
the,
characters.
yeah.
It was just a really good time. The energy was really good.
Good. We didn't stop for any characters just because we wanted to keep a decent pace. And I think we did an amazing job, all of us together. We did take some pictures yesterday at the expo with some characters, and we get to see characters pretty often. So thankfully, we're okay with that. But this was good. This was good. Mila did an amazing job. We're so proud of her.